fulfill your needs on Mondays.
It's time for another 100 Mondays.
I am from the Coven, a witch punk band, livening up the mood with some great music.
Of this age, of this time and place.
In history.
Okay.
Oh, I was working in my lab late last night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. My monster from his lab began to rise, and then suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It got on in a flat. He did the monster mash from my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. All the ghouls have come from their humble abode to catch a jolt from my electro. They do the monster mash. It's a graveyard smash. It got on in a flat. They do the monster mash. All the zombies are having fun. The party has just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. All out from the coffin, dropped hoisted ring. It seems that he was after just one thing. He lifted the lid, he raised his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?"
No, it's the mash.
It's the monster mash.
No, that's the mash.
It's a graveyard.
No, it's the mash.
Caught on in a flat.
No, it's the mash.
Yes, it's the monster mash. Now everything's cool. Drax a part of the band. And my monster mash. It's the hit of the land. But for you, the living this mash is meant to. When you get to the door, just tell them Igor sent you.
To do the mash.
To do the monster mash.
No, that's the mash.
You'll catch on in a flat.
Yes, it's the mash.
It's a graveyard smash. Yes, it's the monster mash. Down, Igor, down! Ah, you adventurous boy! Down, down!
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week.